Afghanistan has a continental climate with harsh winters in the central highlands, the glaciated northeast around Nuristan, and the Wakhan corridor, where the average temperature in January is below 15 C5F and can reach 26 C15F, and hot summers in the low-lying areas of the Sistan Basin of the southwest, the Jalalabad Basin in the east, and the Turkestan Plains along the Amur River in the north, where temperatures average over 35 C95F in July and can go over 43 C109F. The country is generally arid in the summers, with most rainfall falling between December and April. The lower areas of northern and western Afghanistan are the driest, with precipitation more common in the east. Although proximate to India, Afghanistan is mostly outside the monsoon zone, except the Nuristan province, which occasionally receives summer monsoon rain. Several types of mammals exist throughout Afghanistan. Snow leopards, Siberian tigers and brown bears live in the high-elevation alpine tundra regions. The Marco Polo sheep exclusively live in the Wakhan corridor region of northeast Afghanistan. Foxes, wolves, otters, deer, wild sheep, lynx and other big cats populate the mountain forest region of the east. In the semi-desert northern plains, wildlife include a variety of birds, hedgehogs, gophers, and large carnivores such as jackals and hyenas. Gazelles, wild pigs and jackals populate the steppe plains of the south and west, while mongoose and cheetahs exist in the semi-desert south. Marmots and ibex also live in the high mountains of Afghanistan, and pheasants exist in some parts of the country. The Afghan hound is a native breed of dog known for its fast speed and its long hair. It is relatively known in the West. Endemic fauna of Afghanistan includes the Afghan flying squirrel, Afghan snowfinch, Afghan odin or the pygmy mountain salamander, Stigmella, Vulcaniella kabolensis, Afghan leopard gecko, Wheeleria parvifloralis, amongst others. Endemic flora include Iris afghanica. Afghanistan has a wide variety of birds despite its relatively arid climate. An estimated 460 species of which 235 breed within. The forest region of Afghanistan has vegetation such as pine trees, spruce trees, fir trees and larches, whereas the steppe grassland regions consist of broadleaf trees, short grass, perennial plants and shrublands. The colder high-elevation regions are composed of hardy grasses and small flowering plants. Several regions are designated protected areas. There are 3 national parks, Bandi Amir, Wakhan, and Nuristan. Afghanistan had a 2018 Forest Landscape Integrity Index mean score of 8.8510, ranking it 15th globally out of 172 countries. The population of Afghanistan was estimated at 32.9 million as of 2019 by the Afghanistan Statistics and Information Authority, whereas the UN estimates over 38.0 million. In 1979 the total population was reported to be about 15.5 million. About 23.9 of them are urbanite. 71.4 live in rural areas, and the remaining 4.7 are nomadic. An additional 3 million or so Afghans are temporarily housed in neighboring Pakistan and Iran, most of whom were born and raised in those two countries. As of 2013, Afghanistan was the largest refugee-producing country in the world, a title held for 32 years. The current population growth rate is 2.37, one of the highest in the world outside of Africa. This population is expected to reach 82 million by 2050 if current population trends continue. The population of Afghanistan increased steadily until the 1980s, when civil war caused millions to flee to other countries such as Pakistan. Millions have since returned and the war conditions contribute to the country having the highest fertility rate outside Africa. Afghanistan's healthcare has recovered since the turn of the century, causing falls in infant mortality and increases in life expectancy, although it has the lowest life expectancy of any country outside Africa. This along with other factors such as returning refugees caused rapid population growth in the 2000s that has only recently started to slow down. Citation needed. The Gini coefficient in 2008 was 27.8.